Hey everyone, welcome back again. So someone requested a video on how to set up or how to activate the Figpal. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is to come down to your toolbar down here. You can see this little icon over here. You can see that it is new. It's a new feature that was just recently introduced. Everybody should have it by now. So all you need to do is to click on it and you see this. You can change it. You can, if you want like an animal character, you can click on this. If you want food, click on this. If you want shape, you can click on this. Then Figma, if you want a character that looks like Figma logo something, then you can click on this. So you can see this character looks like Figma logo. So, and if you want to change it, you don't like how it looks, you can come down here, click on this arrow here, keep clicking on it till you get what you want. Yeah, you can also click on this one here to go back to the previous character. So if you wanted to have like an head gear or something, you can click on here and to bring out an head gear for you. You can select the ones you want by clicking on this. If you want to go back also, you can also click on this. All right, so now let's check this, what we have on the right menu. So we have this activate pal. So if you don't want your pal to be activated, you can click on it here, and if you want it to be activated, you can also toggle this on here to activate it. So this see others pal is if you're collaborating with other users, you can see if you toggle this on, you can see their pals, but if you toggle it off, you won't be able to see their pals. Then this surprise me is if you click on surprise me, instead of coming down here to select this like this, you can just click on surprise me, then to keep changing from either animal to food or to star, to shape rather, or to Figma itself. You can also take a picture of it here. Click on this, it will save on your device. So this is all you need to know about this right side menu. Alright, so you can also change the color. If you come down here, you can select any color you want, then your character will change to the color. So you can see it is very easy. Activation is very easy. You can also come down here and give your character a name. You can name it anything you love. So guys, this is all you need to do to activate your Figpal here in Figma. So if there's any other thing you want me to do, you can let me know in the comment section below. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do that to support me. You can also like my video, share with your friends. Make sure you engage my content to encourage me to do more. Okay, so see you in my next one. Bye.